The previous videos talked about the conceptual part of the iris structure, and within the framework of collaborative work, the differences between a chat and a channel in Microsoft Teams were highlighted. In this video, we will apply this theory and draw on real chats and channels to demonstrate the various features and suggested practices for optimal use. It is important to note that, despite the differences between chats and channels, they are complementary scenarios, so it is often the case that, in order to work on a specific topic, a combination of both is used. For this reason, Microsoft Teams offers two ways to display the list of chats and channels. In order to identify which of these modes are active, simply look at the icons that appear in the sidebar on the left. If we see the chat and team icons, it means that we have separate views enabled, so the channel list is independent of the chat list. The other way to view channels and chats is the combined view. In this case, only the chat icon will be displayed. The advantage of this view is that it provides a single list of all the channels we belong to and the active chats we have. This option makes it easier to organize and find the channels or chats you want to work with. Normally, in order to work on a topic, process, project, or commission, we rely on a combination of channels, meeting chats, group chats, and one-to-one chats. For example, using this search engine where we can use keywords or these filters to show only those with unread messages, meeting chats, etc. It is also possible to group chats and channels by topic. First, we need to define the sections using this option. Then, in each channel or chat related to this new section, we click on More Options, then on Show In or Move To. And finally, we select the section where we want to group them. It is also possible to drag channels or chats directly into these sections. These sections can be made larger or smaller to make them easier to see. And if there's new activity in any of the channels or chats, the section name will be highlighted. Click on this option to change the chat and channel view settings. Then click on Customize View, and finally select your preferred option. Now let's take a look at the details of the differences and benefits of chats and channels in Microsoft Teams. As explained in the previous video, conversations in a channel are organized into a nest structure. In other words, channels are the ideal space for automatically structuring all conversations by topic. This is ideal for announcements about important developments, notifications about final versions of documents, knowledge sharing, and more. In order to maintain consistent order and historical records, two main actions are recommended. First, create a new publication using this button. And second, react to a publication using this button. Please do not reply to a publication by making a new publication. Conversations appear in order of interaction, from the most recent to the oldest. Therefore, by interacting with an old conversation, it will move and replace the most recent post. And so on with all conversations. This will allow channel members to view, in the foreground, the conversations with the most interaction or the most relevance. In contrast, in group chats or meetings, conversations are organized into a single chain of messages. This is ideal for operational or general discussions. Therefore, it is possible to reply to a specific comment just like on WhatsApp. Both in channels and in chat, it is possible to translate messages by clicking on the More Options icon for each message. You can also set up automatic translation. Likewise, mentions can be used for both tools. Simply type the @ symbol before each name of the person you wish to address, or you can even type the word channel or all to address everyone in the channel or chat. Channels are formal spaces for collaborative work by a team of people who come together to solve a specific problem, work on a project, form a committee, among other things. As such, this space allows you to manage information access security with the following features. Members and roles. First, in a channel, membership must be defined. That is, the people who will make up this collaborative workspace. When adding members to the channel, you must set 2 of the 3 types of roles that a person can have within a channel. The role of owner. This role should be held by the individuals responsible for moderating and maintaining the channel. They must ensure the proper use of document archives and their respective labeling, add or remove members as necessary, add complementary tools to the channel through this option, among other functions. The role of member. This role is assigned to all the Educo staff that is a member of this channel as a collaborator. Members can see and edit documents and send messages in the channel. The role of guest. This is a role that is automatically assigned to individuals outside the organization who are invited to collaborate on a channel and its resources, and can only be set up by the systems department at head office. Document access security. Another advantage of working in channels in Microsoft Teams is document access management. When you add files to the private library, they can only be accessed by members of that channel. This is where documents exclusively for channel members should be located. These documents cannot be found using Iris search engines unless you are a member of the channel. If you wish to share the final version of a document, or if a document is of public interest, it should be stored in the Public tab. When files are added to a channel's public library, they can automatically be accessed by the entire organization and can be found using Iris search engines. On the other hand, as explained in the previous video, in a group chat or meeting chat, when someone uploads a file, it is automatically stored in the OneDrive of the person who uploaded it. This can complicate access management in the future. Last but not least, there is the Channel Details panel. This feature allows us to find out what a channel is about, see a summary of the activities that have taken place, view the members, search within the channel's messages, among other things. This panel can also be found in chats. We encourage you to explore these tools.